In this video, I'll show you how to set a limit order on the Robinhood app step by step. First, open the app and log into your account. From the home screen, use the search bar to find the stock you want to trade, then tap on it to open the stock page. Once you're there, tap the Trade button at the bottom right and choose either Buy or Sell. Now look at the top of the order screen and tap on the order type option. From the list, select Limit Order. Next, enter the number of shares you want to trade. After that, set your limit price, which is the exact price you're willing to buy or sell at. For a buy limit order, your order will only execute at your set price or lower. For a sell limit order, it will execute at your price or higher. Then choose how long you want the order to stay active, like for the day or until it's cancelled. Tap Review to check all the details carefully. Once everything looks good, swipe up to submit your order. Your order will stay pending until the market reaches your specified price. You can track or cancel the order anytime from the History section. And that's it. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.